first time we tried to pump out after buying the stink pot, we discovered that it was only sucking air from the holding tank. We suspected it was an issue with the pickup tube. After doing a bit of research online, Richard found out that the original tube is copper or brass. So after 35 years in a harsh environment that is a holding tank, he figured there was probably a lot of holes in it, assuming it existed at all. There wasn't much room for a pipe wrench in this small space, so here you can see Richard cutting a notch in the floor support beam.
Okay. I think this is gonna work. Yeah. We're good.
So with that done, we got a chance to see into our holding tank, our full holding tank. And what can I say? It's a holding tank. It's a shitty job.
Ugh.
So I can see. Normally the hole should be right at that level.
I can. It fell right off.
It felt right off.
Yeah.
There's nothing.
I can see where it just stops being.
Look, there's nothing left.
Yeah. Fuck. Yeah, that's lovely.
Yeah.
Well, mystery solved.
Okay.
So now we knew why we weren't able to pump out. The entire pickup tube had fallen off and is probably laying somewhere at the bottom of the tank, slowly being dissolved.
Yeah, we need to clean the.
Oh yeah, get all the tape
Somebody
off.
put stupid Teflon there.
Yeah, because Teflon. Whoa.
I hate Teflon. This is the worst. I think we're good. I don't think there's more
No, I think you got all the
Teflon.
Now that we have poop dust off our nose. It's delicious.
Yeah.
It's not really doing much, is it?
It is.
Oh yeah? Is that gonna make it in there?
Huh?
Is it gonna make it in?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, you need to tap it a little. But it will make it.
Using the length of wood, we will measure the depth of the tank. We're going to use a PVC pipe to replace the pickup tube. The bottom end of the pipe will be cut at a 45-degree angle and inserted into the tank. We're hoping that the epoxy will add a little bonding strength on the imperfect surface of the brass fitting. The pipe already fits really tightly, so this step is probably not very necessary. The Rector seal number 5 that's being applied will seal the joint properly. The light to indicate that the holding tank is 3/4 full was also not working. After some testing, we found that the likely culprit was the pickup tube that activates the pressure switch. We wanted to take a look at the damage to this tube too.
You want to see what's left of the pickup tube?
Sure.
My God.
Nothing is left
Nothing.
of the pickup tube.
If there's anything left of that tube, it's obviously at the bottom of the tank with the pump out tube. The whole piece will be replaced another day. For now, we're out of time.